MG160J2YS50 by USComponent.com. The MG160J2YS50 is a high-efficiency IGBT module from Toshiba, designed for industrial power switching applications. Operating at 2500 V and 160 A, it is ideal for motor drives, inverters, and power supplies. This module features low conduction and switching losses, ensuring optimal energy efficiency and reliable performance. Its robust construction and superior thermal management capabilities provide long-term durability in demanding environments. The compact design allows for easy installation and integration into various systems. Toshiba's commitment to innovation and quality makes the MG160J2YS50 a preferred choice for optimizing power conversion and enhancing the performance of high-power electronic systems. Ready to buy MG160J2YS50? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.